In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Word is not responding. If Word has frozen or refuses to open, don't worry. Let's walk through clear, reliable fixes, starting with the quickest ones first. First, force close Word and restart it. If Word is hanging, use your keyboard to open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and ESC together. In the list of apps, click on Microsoft Word, then choose End Task. This immediately shuts it down, which can clear a temporary glitch. Keep in mind, you might lose unsaved changes, but Word's auto-recover often helps restore recent work. Once it's closed, reopen Word and see if it behaves normally. If it's still stuck, restart your computer. A full reboot clears background processes, releases locked files, and resets system resources that can affect Word. After your system restarts, open Word again to test. Next, turn off add-ins inside Word. Sometimes a third-party add-in conflicts with Word and causes freezes. Open Word, go to File, then Options, and choose Add-ins. At the bottom, next to Manage, make sure COM Add-ins is selected, then click Go. Uncheck everything in the list, click OK, and restart Word. If Word runs smoothly now, you've confirmed an add-in was the culprit. You can later return to the same place and re-enable add-ins one at a time to find the problematic one, but for now, keep them off to restore stability. Another common cause is the default printer. Word checks printer settings when it starts, and a faulty or unreachable printer can make it hang. Open Settings on Windows. Go to Bluetooth and Devices, then Printers and Scanners. Turn off the option that lets Windows manage your default printer automatically. Then select a working, reliable printer, like a local printer or Microsoft Print to PDF, and set it as the default. With that change in place, launch Word again and see if it responds normally. If none of these fixes work, use a last resort. Uninstall and reinstall Microsoft Office. This replaces corrupted program files that are beyond repair. Make sure your documents are backed up, then remove Office through your system's app settings and install it fresh. After reinstalling, launch Word and confirm it opens cleanly. That's it. Force close and relaunch Word, restart your computer, disable add-ins, set a dependable default printer, and if necessary, reinstall Office. Follow these steps in order, and you'll usually get Word back up and running quickly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back to work without the freezes.